Hello everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I am back with another crochet stitch tutorial. This is the Openwork rib stitch. It is a fairly simple summer stitch pattern. As the months are heating up now, I figured this would be the perfect time to introduce this open stitch pattern. It is a 2-row repeat and it's fairly simple to get the hang of, so without further ado I'm going to jump into the tutorial. Alright, we're going to start off with a slip knot. And we are going to chain in multiples of 2. So I think that I will chain 16 today. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Alright, now that I have my 16 stitches, what we're going to do is we are going to chain 3 and we are going to double crochet into the 4th chain from our hook. So I'm going to put my thumb on this last stitch that I just made because I already know that's going to be my 4th chain. I'm going to chain up 1, 2, 3, and now I'm going to yarn over and double crochet into that stitch. Alright, and now we are going to double crochet into each chain along. Alright, now that I've made my last stitch, this is what row 1 looks like. We are going to now chain 5 and turn our work. I like to do the alternative chaining method, but you are more than welcome to do regular chaining. Do 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, and now what we're going to do is we are going to skip this stitch where our chain of 5 is coming out of, and we are going to treble crochet into the next stitch. So you're going to yarn over twice, and then you are going to insert your hook into that next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Alright, so this chain of 5 counts as a chain of 4 for height plus 1 chain, and it creates a chain space in here. And that's the whole idea of this row. So what we're going to do now is we are going to chain 1. We're going to skip 1 stitch, and then to that next stitch we are going to treble crochet. So again, that is yarning over twice. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And we're going to do this all the way across our row. Oops. Here we go. Alright, coming to the end of my row, I got my last 2 stitches here. What I'm going to do is chain 1, and I'm going to treble crochet into the last stitch, which is the top of that chain 3 from row 1. Oops. Might want to make that stitch right, Infiniti. There we go. Alright, that's the end of row 2. Now on to row 3, we are going to chain 3. 1. Again, I like to do the alternative chain. 2 and 3. Alright, and now we are going to double crochet 2 into the next chain space. So just going to yarn over 1 time. We're going to double crochet twice into this chain space, which means we are not working into the tops of these treble crochets. And we're just going to continue to repeat this pattern across until the end of the row. Alright, and now to finish this row, we are going to place those 2 double crochet into that final chain space. Okay, and what should happen is you should end up with the same count that you had for your chaining. So if you did 16 stitches with me, or 16 chains rather, you should have 16 stitches going across here, which I do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times 2, 16. Alright, now to continue this pattern, what you would do is simply repeat rows 2 and 3 until you get a swatch that looks similar to this one. I think it would help to turn this on the right side. Here we go. Alright, it would look similar to this one. Now this pattern, like I said, is really great for summer projects if you use a nice cotton yarn and not heavy bulky acrylic. And I really like it for its open grid features. I think this would be great on like tank tops. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. If so, don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. 1, you won't miss out on future crochet content from me, and 2, it really helps the channel out by leaps and bounds. If you want to see all of my crochet whips and behind the scene things, you can check me out over on Instagram. That is linked in the description box below. You can also head over to my website and sign up for my newsletter and check out the blog. I am up to a lot of things behind the scenes, and I am so excited to share them with you guys coming soon. Oftentimes my newsletter subscribers hear about stuff first, specifically with shop updates, special discounts, and things of the like, pattern releases, you know. Beyond that, if you want to support the channel, you can check out my merch shop or consider buying me a coffee, all of which again is linked in the description box below. And until next time guys, happy making!